Do you need to update hundreds of outdated links or anchor text on your website? Link Vector can help you do this in minutes. This video will show you how you can replace links and anchor text in bulk using Link Vector's link replacement feature. First, go to Link Utilities, Link Replacement. Then choose whether you want to replace a URL or anchor text, and whether you'd like to search by URL or anchor text. Overall, there are 4 different ways you can use link replacement. First, replace URL by searching for URL. For example, when you want to replace links to outdated or low-quality sites with high-quality ones to improve SEO. Second, replace URL by searching for anchor text. For example, when you'd like to change the destination URL of a specific anchor text to a newly created landing page. Third, replace anchor text by searching for URL. For example, when you want to optimize SEO by changing the anchor text of all links pointing to a specific page to be more keyword targeted. And fourth, replace anchor text by searching for anchor text. For example, when you did a company rebrand and need to update all instances of your old company or product name to the new one. First, I'll show you how to replace a URL. Let's say you're planning to delete a page from your website, but other pages are linking to it. If you simply deleted the page, all those internal links would be broken, impacting your website's user experience. So before you delete the content, you want to replace all links that point to that content. To do that, first select Replace URL, then select Search by URL. Next, enter the URL and click on Find URL. This window will show all the links that match your search. Next, enter the URL you'd like to replace the old one with here. Then review the list. This is the page the link appears in, the current link URL, the anchor text, and the sentence. Next, select the links you'd like to replace, check this box, and click on Replace Selected Link. Now let's do an anchor text replacement. Let's say you want to optimize your anchor text for a specific URL to be more keyword targeted for SEO ranking purposes. First, choose Replace Anchor Text, search by URL, enter the URL, and click on Find URL. Then enter the new anchor text here, select the anchor text to be changed, and click on Replace Selected Anchor Text. Note here that you can also use variations instead of just exact matches. For example, if you want to review all the anchor text with a specific word in it, you can choose Contains. Also, link replacement is not limited to just internal links. You can also replace external or cross-domain links. You can track the replacements you've made in the history down here. If you want to reverse any replacements you've made because you made a mistake, you can go to Link History, look for the relevant page, then click on Revert and confirm Revert. Beyond the use cases mentioned, here are some other scenarios where you might need to use the link replacement feature. Update old affiliate links across your site with new ones from a recent partnership. Add no-follow attributes to links pointing to less trusted sites so you don't get associated with bad reputation websites. Update internal links to reflect your new URL structure after a site restructuring. Revise UTM parameters for tracking purposes. Replace generic anchor text with descriptive and keyword-rich anchor text. And that's how you replace links or anchor text in bulk while saving precious time and effort. If you need help, email us at hello@linkvector.io.